Portugal has 365 ways to cook cod, one for every day of the year. Most people outside Portugal can name 0 of them. This is the one you need to start with. Welcome back to Nomadic Treats, where we bring you the world into your kitchen. Today we're heading to Portugal. We're gonna be making Bacalhau à Brás. This is one of the most iconic dishes in Portugal home cooking. If you spent any time in Lisbon, you've seen it in every menu. But outside of Portugal, almost nobody knows it exists. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's built on 3 things the Portuguese have perfected: salted cod, potatoes, and eggs. Here is what you need to start: 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, also thinly sliced, 500 grams of shredded cods, and if you can't find it pre-shredded, buy a regular fillet and pull it apart by hand. 2 minutes of work. And 2 optional ingredients: a bay leaf and a red chili. The chili is not traditional, it adds heat and color. I always add it. On the other hand, I won't be using the bay leaf today. Heat a little olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the onions. Let it cook until it's soft and translucent. Sweet, not burnt. No rushing this part. Next, add the garlic, red chili and bay leaf if you're using them. 1 more minute, just enough to wake everything up. Now the cod goes in. Spread it out, cover the pan and drop the heat to low. About 5 minutes. You're waiting for the cod to turn completely white. Next, we will need 150 grams of fried potato sticks. In Portugal, these are in every supermarket. However, if you're outside of Portugal and you can't find them, crush some thick chips. They work perfectly fine. Or you can make them from scratch. I will leave the recipe in the description. We will also be using 4 eggs, lightly beaten. Set them aside for now. Remove the bay leaf if using it, add the fried potato sticks and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. You want them to soften slightly but still hold some structure. Don't let them go limp. Then add the eggs and stir constantly. And here is the most critical moment in this whole recipe. Do not overcook the eggs. 1 to 2 minutes, then off the heat immediately. Soft, creamy, loose, almost like a scramble that never fully sets. If they are firm and dry, you've gone too far. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Note that both cod and the potatoes are likely to have salt, so take that into consideration when you're adding salt. Add some fresh parsley. Finally, we add a handful of black and green olives. Traditionally, this dish only uses black olives. However, I prefer the mix. It gives more color and more flavor. And serve immediately. Most people who try this for the first time say the same thing. How have I never heard of this? This is Bacalhau à Brás. 5 core ingredients, 20 minutes. This is what Portuguese people eat on a Tuesday night. Not a special occasion, not a restaurant treat. Just Tuesday. If you made this, drop a comment, tell me what you thought. And if you want more dishes like this, the ones nobody talks about from corners of the world most food channels completely ignore, hit subscribe. That's what we do here. See you in the next one and thank you for watching.